Hello, welcome. In this video I want to show you one of the newest features that have been added to the Kinetic mouse. So in the latest release you will find a new function or feature that is called Precision Mode. And in this video we will take a quick look at what this feature can do and how it works. So as you know, some interfaces or software has some really tiny interface elements. I found Photoshop that uses really tiny sliders, for example. And if you of course want to adjust these sliders accurately, it is very difficult to find a good setting for direct mouse control that gives you this amount of precision. So of course up until now you could have used the continuous mode that gives you a fair amount of precision, but of course it lacks speed in control and takes a long time to get from screen edge to screen edge. So this problem can be solved by a new feature, the precision mode, and you can think of the precision mode as a sort of second gear that reduces actually the speed of the mouse cursor quite a lot. So let's take a look how it actually works. So I will now resume the Kinetic mouse. I have now control with my head, as you can see. And I've set up the Kinetic mouse to work with the click switch. So I can switch through the clicks by puffing my cheeks. And if I now want to click and drag this slider, I will have a fairly difficult time to actually target this small icon here. So what I can do now is open my mouth actually in the region at this slider. And as you can see, I have now my full range mapped to a very small screen region, and that gives me really high precision in this particular area. So I can target this small slider here. With my mouse smile I can actually trigger the click and then move the slider to where I want it to be. So if I want to get out of the precision mode again, I can open my mouth and I'm back to the usual full range control over my mouse cursor. So again, if I want to move this upper slider here, I can now switch to the precision mode that is indicated by this cross arrow at the lower screen bottom, and I can click and drag this slider where I want it to be. So let me pause the Kinetic mouse again. So as you saw, the precision mode reduces the speed of the mouse cursor to a certain degree, and let's take a quick look at the settings and what we can actually do with this precision mode. So you find it under Settings, Mouse Cursor and Advanced. And here we see I've enabled the precision mode. I bound a signal to the precision mode, that is my jaw open for now. Of course the threshold as with every action trigger. And then I can also set a behavior. So if I want to toggle the precision mode so I can do another gesture with my mouth, I choose toggle. If I want, for example, to hold this expression for a certain time, I can also choose the hold option here. So let's check out the hold, for example. While I have my mouth open, the precision mode will stay active, and if I close my mouth, it will be back to normal again. So that's the hold function. And then I have a slider for the amount of speed reduction that I actually want. So if I want to have really high precision, I can go up to 99 or even 100%, or I can go to let's say 95% speed reduction. That is fairly high reduction. So I can, if I resume this now, I can map the full range of my head rotation to a teeny tiny small area. at my screen. So this is the speed reduction slider, and what I can also do is instead of using a signal to trigger the precision mode, I can also add the precision mode to my click switch menu. So what this will do is instead of using the signal here, I will choose none for now. You can see that the precision mode is actually added to my click switch menu. So what I can do here is actually trigger and activate the precision mode via this menu, just as the normal mouse clicks do. So let me show you this again. If I now switch to the precision mode, I can activate it. Let's say I want to close the settings window here. Now it's active, and I can now switch to the left click, perform it, and get back out of the precision mode. Same works with click and drag. So if I want to click and drag this icon here to a very tiny degree, I can activate the precision mode, switch to click and drag, activate it. I can now move the icon to a very slow or very small range, but I could also go back to the precision mode, deactivate it, move it where I want it to be, again activate the precision mode, and then place this icon pixel precise at the location where I want it to be, and release the mouse cursor. So this is how you do it via the click switch menu. And again, the precision mode is a fairly good tool to either work with small interface elements, or you can also use it in games. If you want to make a high precision shot in a first person shooter game, you can also make use of this precision mode, how it is called. So that's one of the newest features. I hope you like it. Let me know if you have any other ideas that could help you working with the Kinezic mouse, and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.